Hi everyone, it is the day before I leave for America. It is Tuesday and I'm leaving tomorrow to go see my sissy and my brother-in-law and her tummy. I'm so excited. But to be honest, I'm also super nervous. Like, you know when you have that kind of feeling in your stomach where you're nervous but you're excited. I've had that the entire day. I've had that since like yesterday. I spent majority of yesterday getting stuff that I needed. I still need to do a little bit more of that this morning. And I feel nervous because I'm not sure if I'm like ready. Because obviously I haven't packed my bag yet. I'm going to do that today, and I have two of these bags over here. I've actually borrowed one from my mom and one from a friend because yeah, it's just easier. So I'm not like obsessed with purple. This is just what I've gotten. It's funny. So yeah, it's a really beautiful day today. I have gotten out of the shower. Yesterday I had my lashes done, which you can see they look amazing. Focus, they look really good. Ashley did them, and today I'm gonna go do my eyebrows. She also did my nails for me, so I've got perfect like travel nails. They're easy, simple, and they're still gonna look good. So I'm excited that I'm still gonna look nice without having to wear makeup. Like today I'm not wearing anything on my face besides my skincare and these lashes, and I'm excited to show you guys what this like trip is going to be like. But for this vlog, I'm just going to be showing you stuff that I've gotten for the trip. I'm going to be packing my main two bags. I'm also going to be packing my, I may do that separately. I may do like my carry-on bag as a separate video, but I'm not sure. So we will kind of see how it goes in this video. But yeah, today we're going to be packing and getting the last few bits and feeling nervous basically, but I'm excited to bring you guys along on the journey, and you can see what's happening and how I'm feeling and stuff like that. Also, this is like the last night that I have with Sean, so this evening we're gonna go for a walk on the promenade in Sea Point just to kind of chill and de-stress. But for now I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done because they are looking crazy, and that helps a lot with like the no makeup look. It's like your eyebrows and your eyelashes look good and you've got a little bit of something underneath the eyes, you'll be fine. So if you're excited to see some packing and getting ready for America and organization, like if you are OCD, this is probably going to be your favorite video of all time. So yeah, that's what you can look forward to for this video. And let's go get my eyebrows done, and I may get some like Adidas tracksuit pants. I'm still deciding if I want to do that. It is officially the time. I've gotten my eyebrows threaded. He didn't do a very good job. There's this one guy at Eye Candy who always does my eyebrows badly. He did my eyebrows before I went away for my wedding and he screwed them up, and every time I go there he screws up my eyebrows and pisses me off. He just makes them too thin, and like you can see that this part is longer than over there. He just doesn't do a good job. But anyway, there's a lady at Eye Candy, this Indian lady, who does a flippin' amazing job. I love how she does my eyebrows, and they always look really good. But I'm getting sidetracked. Done my eyebrows, I've done some errands. I have one last thing to get. I need to get compression socks or like flight socks, because I'm on the pill. You are more likely to get blood clots, which I learned from a travel video that I watched on YouTube. So that was really handy. So I need to go and get those today. I need to go to Discount before I fetch Sean. So I think that's one of the last things I need to get, but I need to pack up the stuff in front of me, and then we're gonna do some packing. We're gonna do my big bag packing, so like clothing, things that I'm not gonna take on the plane with me, like these are my checked in bags basically. I've got lots of snacks for my sister, like bags and bags of snacks for my sister. I have clothing for her little baby boy, so I need to sort all of this out in my bedroom on my bed, and then we're gonna do clothing. But I thought I would just show you the stash of stuff. So this is all the stuff that I have. You'll notice that I have hot cross buns over there. It was on her list. She sent me a long list of things that she wanted from here, and hot cross buns was on there. I got a pack for Sean and I yesterday. We each had like I think 2, and now I totally understand why she needs hot cross buns, because I don't think you get them like proper nice hot cross buns in America. I don't even know if you get hot cross buns in America, but I understand why she needs them. This is my backpack for the trip. There's lots of gifts that people have sent for her like that. I've got lots of stuff for her over here. I've got like stuff for her, plus for the baby, plus for Jacob. So all of this needs to go in my bedroom, and then we can start packing. So I'm doing the very mundane things. I have a little charging station here. These are my two, what are these called? External like battery charger thingies, portable chargers, I don't know. And then I'm charging this gimbal over here, which Jacob actually gave me. It's my sister's husband. And I haven't found the charger for it in ages, and I found it, so yay. And then also I'm charging, oh, I need to then charge the battery for this camera that I'm using right now. And then obviously my cell phone. And I've literally got on one of my lists that I need to charge all of my batteries. So I can't find a good angle for this camera, but what I'm going to do is sort out all of this stuff over here into like stuff for me, stuff I need to wear, stuff that's for them like Christy, Jacob and the baby, or things that are for my carry-on or gifts for Christy. So I'm sorting all of that out now, and stuff that needs to go into the big bags and things that need to go maybe into like a carry-on. So I'm actually just going to do a time lapse, otherwise it's going to be hideously boring for you guys. Big tripod just because it makes my life a little bit simpler. This is the current situation of my bed and my bedroom. Let me actually just, underwear, socks, this is stuff like for the plane, there's more stuff over there, that stuff that's for Christy and Jacob, shoes. So I'm going to sort through everything and show you guys what I'm packing as I pack it into my suitcase. So I hope this will be somewhat interesting for you guys. I think I'm going to position you over here. Does that make sense? Because I'll put my bag over there and I'll sit there. I think that works. For the baby, it's got like snacks and stuff. I literally had this whole section full of snacks for Christy and Jacob, and it's like things that Christy's craving. I've put them like strategically in between the clothing so that A, they don't get crushed, and B, if they do search my suitcase, it's not going to be super obvious. I actually have like freaking hot cross buns in here. I'm sorted on this packing front. I just hope they don't search my bag. I'm crossing fingers they don't search my bag, because all of this stuff needs to get there, like desperately needs to get there. So that side is done. That side I'm going to do shoes. So for the trip I have literally only 2 summer pairs, because those have been the ones that I've been wearing the most for summer here, and then the rest are kind of wintry. These are not exactly wintry, but I wear them all the time, so maybe like less cold days I'll wear those. I wear a lot of sneakers obviously, and then I have 1 pair of boots, these closed shoes, and then those are my like gym trainers over there. Those are my gym trainers. So that's basically it. I'm gonna pack those into this bag. Look at the mess that is my room. Anyway, I'm gonna pack those in here. Okay, so I have all of my shoes in here, and then I have hot chocolate. My sister insisted on me bringing 1 big hot chocolate. She loves this stuff. And then I don't think they have anything similar to this in America that she loves. And then she said 5 small ones. So I've got the big one, the 3 small ones, and then I have 2 small ones here as well. And then also she wants sweet chili sauce. She wants the funniest things. And then when I flap this part closed, then I'm gonna put like underwear and socks and stuff like that in these little compartments over here, and then this one will be done. I'm gonna close it, and then the rest plus this stuff over here, which is not that much, will go in the other suitcase. It is D-Day. We are at the airport with all my bags. And they are full, like full. And I actually feel a little bit nervous. I was telling Sean now, like as we get closer to the airport, I just get more and more nervous. I don't know why. I just don't know why. No, I don't want that Peppa Pig ball. I'm gonna... You just kissed my nose. I just enlisted the Instagram husband to get a picture of me for my Instagram. Obviously, it was right over here. I'll put it on the screen now. My like Cape Town DOHA flight, and I'm already like frazzled. I cried when I said goodbye to Sean, which is just like, what? Not me at all, but it's chilled. Yeah. This is a foreign experience and it's really tiny. Really tiny. Got a window seat, but hoping that nobody sits here. Like hoping so much. I booked at the back of the plane so that no one would sit next to me. I don't want to make friends, I don't want to chat. They just announced that all the passengers are on board, which means ain't nobody sitting next to me. I'm so excited. Do not have to make small talk. So excited.
موظفة على الشاشة سترة المجال موجودة في جانب المقعد أو تحت.
What is this called? Victoria and Abdul. It's so good, I'm enjoying it, I love it. Doha to JFK flight, and unfortunately for this one I'm like sitting in the middle section, but at least I have an aisle seat. But you know, I don't get to stretch out this time. It's gonna be interesting, it's gonna be fun. I also got to FaceTime my sister and Sean, so I feel a bit more calm, which was nice, but it's mother hot here. Hey, I can't leave the seat. I'm actually so excited to get to winter. But now we get to do the face masks and stuff all over again. But I feel sweaty from that airport. It's just too hot here. Too hot.